What up guys, on this channel we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So in this video I'll be telling you about the 𝓕𝓻 token, which is already listed, and you can see the post on my Telegram channel. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, do well to join the Telegram channel in order not to miss more information. So once you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to take you straight up to where you download the application. So after downloading the application like this, make sure you install it properly. So once you're done doing that, click on open and let the process begin. So it's a simple step here, right? Now click on enter. So once you do that, it's going to show you a login page. So all you do is scroll over to the sign up page. Enter in your email address, password, confirm the password, and enter the referral code for more bonus, and click on I agree. Then it's going to take you straight to this page here, right? So they sent you an OTP on your email address. So all you do is just copy the OTP and you go back straight to the application, then you post it there. So after verifying, the mining will not start automatically, so you need to go through 3 steps before you start mining. So the first step here is to follow them on Twitter, and you enter in your Twitter username. That's the first step. So all you do is just follow me as I do this one by one. So the second step here, right, is to retweet the pinned post. So all you do is click on that retweet pinned post. So once you do that, you need to scroll down a little bit, then you need to repost. So once you repost, come over to this share button. So once you do that, you'll see this copy link. So all you do is just copy the link. So the link is what we'll be pasting in this retweet link here. So the last one here is to subscribe to their Telegram channel, which you're just going to click on the subscribe. It's going to take you straight up to their Telegram channel, and you can see they have more than 22,000 subscribers already. So all you do is just join their Telegram channel, then you go back and you input your Telegram username plus @ make sure you put the @ sign there. So once you put the @ sign, put your Telegram username, then you start mining. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. When I start the mining, you can see I have 5 VT already, so make sure you use the referral code in order to get all these bonuses too. So you can see the price it's been listed, which is $2.99. that is the price it's been listed on the coinmarketcap. So clicking on this swap, trade and wallet, you can see they are coming soon, so they are not yet available. So when I went to the settings, you can see the KYC phase 1. So as I clicked on it, it said coming soon too. So all these are just still on preparation. So now if you click on the BNB 𝓕𝓻, you can see now that it's launched on market cap already. And also if you click on the VT official, that is their official website. This is where you can get swap VT now and also the white paper. If you click on the swap VT now, this will be open fully when they are fully launched. And also if you click on the white paper, you need to download the white paper before you can read it. It's not just something you open directly. So after downloading it now, so opening it now, you can see this will give you all the full breakdown of what you need to know about the project, from the tokenomics to the utility to the technology and all those stuffs like that. So you need to come and read the white paper. This is the VT distribution chart, which we have 30% for airdrop and others. So if you come here to read the white paper, you will get to understand this well. And this is the contract address also. So I'll advise you come and read the white paper as usual. So make sure you be the early bird, so you earn more tokens before it go very viral. So the mining is just for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, you need to come back and start another mining. And if you want to refer friends, all you do is see your invitation code over here. You just copy it, send it over to the friend. So after they finish downloading the application and they enter all the details, they need to enter your referral code. That's how to refer a friend. And also there's something here too. This is the hash rate booster. So I've not gotten a good information about this yet. So but if you want to get information about it, all you do is just watch that YouTube video. Maybe there's an information for you to get there, but I've not really studied that yet, so I'll just come back with updates if I get any. So remember to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all in my next video. Stay always blessed.